Okay, we're still in section 4.3, section B, where we're doing a common log or a natural log. A common log is where you have base 10. So when you see a base of 10, it's like a square root sign. You don't have to put the little 2 in the corner. Same thing, if you have a natural or a common log with base 10, you don't actually have to write the base. It's naturally understood to be base 10. In a natural logarithm, the base is e. So when you see a little base e, an abbreviation for that is ln of x, and that is log base e of x. Sometimes it's easy to evaluate a log without a calculator, and sometimes it's not. For example, if you're looking at this, this is automatically assumed to be base 10. So you're thinking 10 to the what power is 100, that would be 2. This one would be log base 10, 10 to the what power is 1,000, that's 3. And this is 10 to the what power is 900. Well, we don't really know that off the top of our heads. We do know it's somewhere between 2 and 3. It's closer to 3. If I could spell, that would be good. So if we're looking at log base 10 of 100, that was 2, and log of 1,000 was 3. So somewhere in the middle there is log of 900. So you're going to use your calculator in this sense. So we're going to turn your calculator on, and there's 2 buttons that represent log. There's an LOG button and an LN button. That's log base 10 and log base E. We're looking for log base 10 of 900, so you just hit the log button with the LOG, hit in 900, and hit enter, and that gives you your decimal notation, which would be 2.9542-ish. So some of these you can do with a calculator, some of you can't. And in that one, if you actually look at the answer, we knew it was somewhere between 2 and 3. It was closer to 3, so that answer makes sense. Okay, these first ones I want you to solve without a calculator. So if you're looking at log base 3 of 3, we're looking for 3 to the what power would equal 3, and that would be to the first power. On this one, we don't have a base, so we automatically assume it's 10. So 10 to the what power is 1. Well, anything to the 0 power is 1. Look at the next one, 16 to the what power is 2. A couple ways to do this. If you already know that, it's going to be a fractional exponent or a radical. You can also think of this as changing this base to the same thing we already have. 2 to the 4th is 16, so 2 to the 4th raised to the x. And I want to know if this power is 4x and this power is 1. 4x equals 1, x would equal 1/4. So 16 to the 1/4 power would equal 2, or you can also think of that as the 4th root of 16 is equal to 2. This next one, this natural log, that's an automatic assumed to be base e. So this is e to the what power is e to the 3rd, and that x would equal 3. These next ones you can't do without putting it on the calculator because they're not nice, neat, pretty answers. So the LOG ones are going to use the log button. So on that first one, you're looking at log of 3. So hit log 3, enter, and you get about 0.478. On the next one, log of 32. Again, you hit that log button of 32, and you get 1.51-ish. This next one is natural log of square root of 5. So this time you're going to hit the LN button of the square root of 5. And you're going to get about 0.805. And the next one, natural log of 7.3. Again, you hit the LN button of 7.3. This time you get about 1.988. And that's it.